these trees over here. These are spice trees, okay? And always when we take you to the spice trees or plant, we don't like to tell you directly. We let you to guess. Because I hope you cook back home, huh? And you use the spice, okay?
Yeah.
As my assistant here, I want to give you a leaf to smell, okay? You smell them and then you tell us. We call it a queen because we use everything. We use the leaves of the tree, we use the bark of the tree, and we use the root as well. When you take those three parts and smell, you are going to get different smell. The first one was the leaves, and here Zanzibar, people use leaves of cinnamon for flavoring instead of bay leaves. So instead of bay leaf, we take it dry, get brown.
When I smell them first,
You
I
said
wanted
bay
to say bay leaves, but bay leaves are not big.
Not big,
like
they're
this.
small.
So
Okay? Yeah,
I was confused.
as
So when you
instant-
brought this one, and I said,
instead of bay leaf, we take this dry, get brown, then we put the root. Yeah? So we use the root of cinnamon for medicine. When we get flu, you know Vicks. Huh?
I never knew that they use the roots.
We use the root for Vicks, like the Vicks pepper. You see? This is a root of cinnamon. We use it like a menthol. Like a menthol for flu. Yeah, shake. The Ghana pineapple is sweet.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Sure. Huh? Because now people they say Zanzibar pineapple is #1 in the world.
Maybe they've not been to Ghana before.
Which people said so? Which people said so? In Ghana.
Yeah, and they use it for what?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know what it's used for.
Okay, as a Zanzibar, we have this, all right? And we call it a fruit. But this fruit, we don't eat like other fruit, okay? We use this as a fruit for cosmetics when they are fresh. And we use it as a fruit for food coloring when they get dry. In our local language, Kiswahili, we call it zingifuri. Zingifuri in Kiswahili. Then in English, they call it Annatto. Annatto in English. If you find Annatto, it is very hard name to remember. Is the name of this fruit called natural lipstick fruit. Why we call it a lipstick? Because the fruit gives the color.
And they use it for cosmetics.
Yes, that time our elder were using as a natural lipstick to put on lips. And still now, some of the women in the village don't like to go and buy artificial lipstick. Use this because it's natural. So the color we get inside, when you open, there you may find a small seed like pomegranate. See those seeds? Yeah, and when you crush them, the color comes out.
Hey, look at the color.
The color is orange. You see, my friend? See there?
Baba?
Baba, you see the inside? Huh? It's good. Yeah, when you crush like that, the color come out.
Wow.
See? That's why we call lipstick, because they used to put on lips, eh? You see?
And we are doing the
Okay? Yeah. So that's why we call it a natural lipstick fruit. And some of the Indian, those are living here Zanzibar, use this as well for tika. Strong and shine, then they use it for the nails polish.
Will it
Yeah, will stay. Yeah,
It will
will stay.
stay.
Yeah, it will stay.
Wow.
Okay? So now the color...
Without the coconut oil.
Without coconut, easy to come off.
Okay.
So now the color is orange, then we use for cosmetics. When they get dry, from orange will turn into dark red. When they are dark red, we use it for food coloring. We make red curry out of this. Okay. You see that? So Zanzibar we have this, and it is very common when you go in India. People from India use this a lot to put in their dishes. Yeah, they put this in curry, they put in pilau, biryani, and other dishes. Here in Zanzibar, sometimes we use this one for medicine. Very good medicine. It helps when we get problem of stomach gas. For stomach gas, what we do, we take fresh leaves, put in water and boil it. After 5 minutes, you find the water change color into green. We drink like a green tea. Okay, good for stomach gas and for digestion system. Okay, and
what about ulcer?
Our for the ulcer, I will tell you. And our sister back home likes to drink green tea of this one for hair growing as well. Okay, it's very good for hair growing. So we put also in our dishes for flavor, but we don't take the green one. We take green from the tree, then we put in the cooking oil, fry a little bit and get brown, then we put in the dishes for flavor. Okay, so you get the difference.
The same thing.
Same.
Same.
So this is a lemongrass in English. Okay. In English they call it lemongrass.
Lemongrass. Yeah.
Then in our local language, Kiswahili, we call it chai.
Chai.
M for plant, chai means tea.
What is for plant?
Chai.
Chai, yes. M for plant, chai means tea. We make tea. Don't. We'll cut you. Okay. So we make tea out of this plant, and the tea that we get from the lemongrass, it's a green tea. Our green tea comes from here, and we like to drink green tea of lemongrass plain, without sugar. Without sugar, it's going to make a teeth and bones to be strong because it has calcium. Without sugar, it's going to take out or to delete aluminium in the body for high blood pressure, headache pain, asthma, and for fever as well. Okay, and then from the leaves we make tea, and we use the stem of the plant like this one. This one we use it for cosmetics. We make oil. So oil of lemongrass good for massage and muscular pain. Lemongrass oil good for air freshener. We take it in the room, toilet and other place just for aroma. For flavoring as well, we make soap. We make lemongrass body lotion. Okay, and then in the kitchen we take a knife and cut piece like a spring onion like this. See? Yeah, we cut piece like a spring onion. We put in the soup like a chicken soup, fish soup, just to get flavor, and we take it out like when you go to the Thai restaurant. Okay? Yes, and a part of that, some people say mosquito don't like smell of lemongrass. Yes, they use lemongrass to chase away mosquito. I think you have heard about mosquito spray. Yeah, so now I give you this to smell. Maybe you'll say yes, smell like a mosquito spray that you have there. You see? Is it? Citronella.
I'm not doing for that.
Good?
Yes.
Any question about lemongrass? A plant which looks like a baby banana plant, rising up.
Yes.
The plant coming up now because of the rain. Because and we use the root of the plant, okay? We use the root of the plant for food coloring.
Food color.
The one that they put in curry. Turmeric. You know turmeric?
Yes.
Yeah, so those are turmeric plant. And the Haidari, you have turmeric root?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what we do. We peel off the skin, dry to the sun, and make into powder. So powder of turmeric, people use it for what? For food coloring instead of using a saffron. Because saffron are very expensive. That's why they use this one to put in rice, chicken, fish sauce, and other dishes just for the color. Powder of turmeric, together with the other spices, we are going to get a curry powder. So curry is a mixture. You get color out of this. You get taste out of ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, cumin, coriander, black pepper. That is curry. Here we get yellow curry, and lipstick over there gives red curry. You take red curry from there, yellow from this, you mix together, you are going to get masala. And for the cancer issues, what you need to do, you take 1 spoon of this powder.
So the powder is healthier than the fresh?
Yeah, if you have a fresh, it's okay.
Mostly I use the
All right,
fresh.
yeah. Some people, if they don't have fresh, they take 1 spoon of powder, they take 1 glass of fresh milk, spoon of honey, and a small amount of black pepper powder and ginger.
Black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper and ginger, but black pepper and ginger not too much, just pinch. And then you add there, you mix and drink. 1 cup before you eat anything, 2nd cup before you go to bed. You use that for 1 week.
This one, the powder.
Yeah, the powder of this.
Black pepper.
Ginger.
A pinch of it and ginger.
Ginger, pinch of it.
Milk.
Yeah, milk and spoon of honey.
Is there any type of milk or the
cow milk is good, better.
the cow milk?
Yeah. So when
What
you use
about
it,
the plant
Huh?
base? The plant based milk.
it's underground root, okay? Yeah, ginger, it's underground root. We take it fresh root from the plant. Then we use ginger as a spices for cooking, and we use ginger as a spice for medicine. Okay? Yeah, you can plant like this, and also you can harvest like this. Okay? Yeah. So fresh ginger are very good. It helps when we get problem of head pain, especially migraine. For migraine, we take fresh ginger, we grate it like then apply outside. It's good for migraine. Ginger, it's very good as well for flu and sore throat. Okay, so you eat like that, or you make tea and drinks. And sometimes in the village, our mom likes to take ginger, honey, and lime together.
Ginger is very even if
good
you
for
can't
food.
breathe well.
Yes, and
If you
for
can't
sore throat,
breathe
it's
well,
good,
when you
okay?
take ginger tea, then it's
It will, it will stop.
then
Okay.
start to breathe
Yeah. So then, for stomach absent, to remove gas, digestion, to stop diarrhea, you can use. But not good to use ginger when you have ulcers, because it's too hot. It's too spice. Okay.
It's not good.
Not good.
If you have also.
To eat ginger fresh, or ginger tea, strong ginger tea.
What will
The pain, you get pain because you have ulcers. You don't feel. Some they do. There you may find no product. Okay.
Where's the belly?
Yeah, because now not time, not season. Okay. In the season, this tree produces a spice which we call karafuu. Yeah, karafuu in Kiswahili. Then in English they call it a clove. You know clove? Yeah. So the clove, CLOVE. So the little black one.
Yeah, black. The black.
So that's called clove. Okay. As a clove come from this tree, we pick them on the tree when they are green matured, and then we dry and get black. Okay. So we use them when they are black as a spices for cooking and medicine as well. This is the leaves. The leaves of the clove looks like a bay leaf, huh?
Yes, it looks like bay leaf.
It looks like a bay leaf, but it is not bay leaf.
Like you gave me this, I'll say that it's the clove. It smells like
You see that?
yes.
So that when you dry, get black, and then we use.
So-
Very good medicine for that.
For the teeth,
For the
yes.
teeth,
First,
you
yes.
take one and stick there to stop the pain, or you may find even when you go to the dentist. Yeah, yeah, they put sometimes in the toothpaste.
Mat.
Something fighting there. You go to the toilet, you say hakuna matata. Okay. Yeah. So oil of this for massage, soap of this for skin disease. For cooking, we put in pilau, biryani, in tea, in curry, and other. We call it a king of spices. You remember the cinnamon?
Yes.
Cinnamon was
Queen.
a queen.
The queen.
This one is king.
Yes.
So we call it a king because
Yes,
it's present in Zanzibar.
when you put it in your food,
Uh-huh.
this one will take all that is. When someone eats it, someone will see that there is this one in it. Cinnamon to the same thing.
Yes, okay.
Overpower everything.
It's very, very good, okay? So in Europe, people use this flower for cosmetics. Okay, this one. People use this flower for cosmetics to make a perfume, soaps, and lotion. Grows well in Asia. Here in Africa, flower from the tree, then export in French country. So French use this for making a perfume. Most of the perfume that you find in the world, these flowers are inside, okay? And there is a perfumes which is very expensive, very famous, known as Chanel No. 5, you know? So this flower, it's a raw material of Chanel No. 5.
When you to say radio oil.
We call it Ylang-ylang. You heard about Ylang-ylang or Yang-yang?
This is the ylang-ylang. Please give me a handy to smell it from the flower. And they really they make a local perfume.
Then
Second, cardamom. The cardamom flower. Cardamom flower. This one is Zanzibar mix.
no musician. No.
I know.
Come
Those are not. What's the reference in Annatto?
Zanzibar mix.
Kabirukia.
This is frangipani.
I'm impressed.
The frangipani.
Smell it.
This one, the flower of coffee. The coffee flower.
Coffee flower from the coffee flower.
Flower of coffee. This is Christmas flower. The Christmas flower. This one is 6 different flower. The 6 flower together.
Hey, Tom.
And we have the lotion. This is cinnamon root. one
You
for the
remember
legs.
the root of cinnamon?
Yeah.
You get pain like a muscles, back problem. This is aloe vera, it's good after sunburn.
Sunburn.
Yeah, sunburn,
Okay.
yeah. Like sunblock. This is the lemongrass. The lemongrass
Lemongrass.
we use for mosquito repellent. We have soap like aloe vera, clove
Hey,
soap,
you
Ylang-ylang soap.
mosquito repellent?
This is the
Yes.
lemongrass soap, papaya soap, coconut, Zanzibar mix, cinnamon and vanilla soap. There
Hello.
are 2 papaya soap, cinnamon and clove, good for the skin, for the pimples.
Huh?
If you have interest to buy, you are welcome. Price is $5 for each one.
One for
Shilling,
them.
10,000 shilling. And it depending how many you buy and you get a discount.
That is vanilla.
Where is the beans?
We don't connect us.
Beans. Beans. Okay, I've seen
See
it.
those like green beans?
Yes, I've seen it.
Yeah. That one.
Okay.
So that is a vanilla. Yeah, so vanilla comes from the plant, not from the tree. But this plant needs a supporting tree to grow.
Okay.
Yeah, take about 3 months from planting and get brown. So when they're brown, inside with the little seed. You see those seeds? You get no smell, eh? What you do now? Do like this. This is good for kissing. Because sometimes you wake up in the morning and your brush don't smell good. You want to kiss my friend? You use that after, okay? You see that? Like chewing gum, man. Good for mouth refreshener, and when you chew like that, it helps to stop the nausea.
Okay.
This is cardamom. You know cardamom? Yeah, it's Indian spices. We put this in our dishes, like in pimienta. You know pimienta? Pimienta is pepper.
Ah.
You know the black pepper
No, black pepper.
comes from this plant also. Black pepper comes from the plant. Look.
Maybe it smells like
But this one not black. This is red. Before get red was green. Okay. As we pick when they are green from the plant, we dry to the sun. We get black pepper.
So it doesn't ripe before drying it to get a black pepper.
You pick the green and then you dry. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And then you get black pepper.
The one you give us right now, it tastes like black pepper.
And when you leave that green on the plant for 2 or 3 months, will become red in water. Leave it for 1 day, then you roll it. If you do like this, the red skin, if I press it, the skin will come off. You see, the skin will come off. In the water, this one you clean it. You clean it in the water like this. Then you dry. More you dry, and the more white become, and then we call it white pepper. You see?
Okay.
Yeah.
So white pepper comes from a black pepper.
From the green, from the red pepper.
From red pepper.
Yeah, and then the black pepper comes from the green pepper.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you put that in your mouth, you'll say yes, this is pepper. You see?
Yeah.